How to turn off auto-renewal on Spotify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Spotify. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, tap on your profile at the top left corner and then head over to settings. So right here you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you can turn off the auto-renewal. So what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or your Safari. In the search bar, search for spotify.com. It will land you on the official page of Spotify. You need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on its gear icon at the top right corner and then head over to View Account. So right here you can see that it says Join Premium, which means that I'm using free plan Spotify right now. But for the renewal of Spotify, you must have the premium version of your Spotify. Once you have your premium version, the option of cancel premium will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it, and it will show you how your listening will change. It will tell you that you'll get ad every 15 minutes. You'll still get to use till the date you have paid for. So that's it, and this is simply how you can turn off auto-renewal on Spotify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.